Blue Fire Gloves is a 2-in-1 glove. A lot of people don't know that when they're shopping for a heat-resistant glove that they're getting a polyester and cotton glove, which is heat resistant, but they may not be getting fire resistant. What makes Blue Fire gloves so unique is that they are both. They are a cotton polyester heat resistant glove, and they are also a aramid Nomex outer shell fire resistant glove. See, these fibers here are actually fire resistant, while these fibers here are actually heat resistant for a perfect 2-in-1 glove. Our gloves are laboratory tested to 932 degrees Fahrenheit before warmth can be felt. We want to explain that. Feeling warmth is a good thing. That is part of the technology that we adopted from firefighters. When firefighters are in the field, they want to feel warmth. They want to have enough time to put something down if it's too hot. So that's one of the misnomers of products in this industry, is that people think they are fireproof or heat proof. So please be careful. There's no such thing. There is only fire resistance and heat resistance. Now in 2020, we made an upgrade by adding an extra thread layer on the inner shell of the glove. This will give you more heat resistance. It will probably at this point exceed the 932 degrees, but we didn't bother to have it laboratory tested. We just wanted to put that extra layer of protection in for our customers. And when we did, of course, means the glove may require a little more stretching. So if you just bought Blue Fire gloves, we really encourage you to stretch them in. Don't think they're too tight at the first time you put them on, because they probably will be snug. Or maybe they'll fit perfect if your hand is of that size. Now, I'm a good candidate for this example. I have very large hands. I usually wear an XL or a double XL. So if I can squeeze my hand into this glove and stretch it out easily, then most large men will be able to do the same thing. So let me show you. Go ahead and be rough with it. These are a brand new pair of gloves. Get in there and really pull on them. Pull the cuff, pinch the fingers, pull the fabric. You're not going to break them. Just make sure you're getting a deep pinch to get both the inner liner and the outer liner. And just give them a good tug. You know, get between the knuckles, push down. You'll feel within a minute, in 30 seconds to 60 seconds, the gloves will really conform to your hands no matter how big they are. And then what happens next is that they become much easier to get on and off. And that's really what you want with fire resistance gloves. If you're going to be handling fire logs and stuff like that, you don't want to wrestle them on and off. You want to make sure you break them in, stretch them in, and then every time you take them on and off, start with the fingertips. Get the fingertips off. The glove comes off very easily. And you can see how much I've already opened up the palm of that glove. Look how wide I got it with just a few pulls. So clearly you can stretch these into almost any size you want, and that's what makes Blue Fire so unique. If it fits you right out of the box, great. If they're a little snug, give them a tug and they'll fit like an old pair of jeans.